Hi dear friends! Headphones is a very useful device, whether it work or pleasure time. It does not matter what model of headphones you have. It's always necessary to know how to clean them, just in case.
Cleaning AirPods is really fast and easy. Grab a microfiber cloth, dampen it, and wipe the outside of your AirPods. But be careful not to get any water in any of the openings, because this will damage them. Then take any tool with a fine end like a toothpick to pick airwax out of the speaker hole gently. There is a glob of wax I just picked up from the speaker. These headphones are delicate. Be very careful when you do this not to pierce the speaker. If you have AirPod Pros, remove the silicone tips first and wash them gently. Wipe them dry with your microfiber cloth. Do not reattach until they are completely dry. Cleaning earbuds is pretty similar to cleaning AirPods. First, use a damp microfiber cloth to wipe the outside of the earbud. Be careful not to get any water in any openings. Then use a fine tool like a bobby pin or a toothpick to dig airwax out of the speaker. Here they are, cleaned earbuds. I wiped them outside and removed wax out of the speaker hole. They are ready to be plugged into ears again. Debris and dust can get inside your headphone jacks, interrupting the connection between device and headphone. A can of compressed air is an excellent tool for cleaning a headphone jack. Most compressed air cans come with a long, thin nozzle or tube. Point this at the headphone jack and blast that air. If you don't have compressed air, try unbent paper clip. Use it carefully, not to scratch your jack.